friends, and happy Monday. Hope your week is off to a great start. It's your friend Ryan Rolfe with the dsmSOLD team at Keller Williams Legacy Group here with your Monday market update. Wanted to go over the numbers of what we saw over the weekend. So this weekend we saw 158 new homes hit the market, 153 homes go into pending or under contract status, and 175 homes sold and closed. The 7-day trend is 291 new homes hit the market, 419 homes went into pending or under contract status, and 416 homes sold. Overall, we have 2,017 total active homes on the market as of yesterday afternoon when this data was pulled. So all in all, things are still moving right along. We're still continuing to add inventory to the market. One of the things that I've noticed is in the resale space, you may remember earlier this summer when there was bidding war after bidding war after bidding war. Well, that is still happening at some price points. However, the increase in home sale value has started to level off a little bit with more homes coming onto the market. So even though we saw in the 7-day quite a few more homes go into pending status than those that came on the market, we're still adding inventory, and that's pretty typical of the end of the month, as people are especially with closings, as people are wanting to get their house closed before the start of the next month. The first of the month and the last of the month, those time frames are usually one of the busiest times at a closing company for real estate closings. So as we continue to move into finish out the summer and move into the fall, I have a feeling we'll continue to see more homes come on the market. It's really going to depend what happens with interest rates, because one of the things that with prices going up so much earlier this year, the lower interest rates were kind of acting as a counterbalance for that. So low interest rates but higher property prices means that you would be buying this summer, you might be able to afford up to $325 because of the lower interest rate. And the house that you would probably be looking at last summer that would have maybe been $275 might be $325 because of the lack of inventory. So you could still be able to buy that same house even though it costs more because the interest rate is lower. Now if interest rates tick up, that will change buying power, and so that's the next thing to be watching is, as interest rates go up, will that bring prices down even more? As I mentioned, they have started to kind of decline in, we're seeing more homes that maybe sit on the market a little bit if they try to price at the very top. And from there, it's just a matter of time before our market starts to get back to some sense of normalcy. But it is, with COVID, it definitely threw everyone for a loop. So it'll be hard to say what's to come next. But most likely, as we see rise in interest rates, we'll see more homes potentially come on the market and maybe sit a little bit longer. All in all, it's still a great time to be buying a home or selling a home in the Des Moines Metro. So if you've got any questions about the real estate market, please feel free to shoot me a message or comment wherever you're seeing this video. You can also find my full contact information on my Facebook business profile for the dsmSOLD team at Keller Williams Legacy Group. There you'll find my phone number and email, so feel free to reach out. Would love to connect with you if you've got questions, and of course if there's anything I can do to help you, whether you're buying, selling, or investing in real estate, let me know. The dsmSOLD team and myself, we would love to help you. Thanks everyone, and make it a great week. Take care. Bye.